A celebration of ongoing community service. That is the theme this year as Kentucky River Foothills celebrates its 60th anniversary. A movement called Community Action was born in 1964 when President Lyndon Johnson pledged to Congress that he intended to carry forward the plans and programs of John F. Kennedy, not because of our sorrow and sympathy, but because they are right. That same year, the War on Poverty was started through the signing of the Economic Opportunity Act. The Civil Rights Act was passed, and community action agencies were created to begin serving a variety of community needs. 2 years prior to these events, Kentucky River Foothills was established in Winchester, Kentucky by a group of concerned citizens for the purpose of securing the optimum development of the human and economic potential for all disadvantaged persons. Kentucky River Foothills was incorporated on October 22, 1962, and became a community action agency 2 years later so that the advantages and program initiatives available through the National War on Poverty could be used to serve Foothills clients. The community action concept provides a variety of programs, planned and implemented locally to address the many needs of the low-income population. Community Action works because its board of directors is broadly representative of three sectors: public, private, and low income. As a group, they examine the needs of the community and develop programs to address those needs. Since 1962, Kentucky River Foothills has served low-income families and individuals in its 4 core counties of Clark, Estill, Madison, and Powell. During this time, the agency's programs have expanded beyond these boundaries into 30 other Kentucky counties. Kentucky River Foothills received its first federal grant in 1965 from the Office of Economic Opportunity to identify problems and barriers to economic opportunity and help individuals receive training and employment. Soon, emphasis was placed on emergency services, senior services, housing, and transportation. 6 decades later, Kentucky River Foothills has assisted millions of people meet their basic needs, overcome alcohol and drug addiction, obtain GEDs and college degrees, receive weatherization, obtain emergency shelter, nurture their children, receive health care services, purchase homes, obtain rental assistance, and be provided access to jobs, services, and recreational activities through transportation. Staff, board members, and volunteers have worked tirelessly to build a premier agency where people can turn for help. It is the mission of Kentucky River Foothills to develop community resources so that all persons may have lives of dignity, responsibility, and opportunity. Today, Kentucky River Foothills has more than 40 programs to help advance the lives of individuals and families who come to us for help. While we are proud of our accomplishments, we recognize there is much more to be done to achieve the goals set in 1964 with the signing of the Economic Opportunity Act. We have much to celebrate and much more to accomplish.
Hi, I'm David Estep, and I'm so excited that all are watching today's virtual resource fair. Thank you for your investment in our community action. Thank you for supporting our mission. We hope this resource fair will provide a good foundation of our programs and services and will hopefully answer questions that you have. Kentucky River Foothills offers community resources so that all persons may live lives of dignity, responsibility, and opportunity. We fight the causes and conditions of poverty to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive. We assist families in need. We educate children and adults, promote partnerships that encourage self-sufficiency and improve family life in our communities. We do this by offering over 40 programs. This year, we are celebrating 60 years of service. Foothills was founded in Winchester, Kentucky in 1962 by a group of concerned citizens for the purpose of securing the optimum development of the human and economic potential for all disadvantaged persons. Kentucky River Foothills is one of 23 community action agencies statewide and is a proud member of the Community Action Partnership that serves every county in America. Our team represents highly skilled professional program developers, administrators, social workers, counselors, transportation drivers, and healthcare providers. Our employees are committed to making our community a better place to live, work, and raise their families. A hallmark of our agency since its beginning has been its governance model. Community Action works because its board of directors is broadly representative by three sectors: public, private, and low-income sectors. Community Action recognizes that programs and services look differently in each community. As a group, the board examines the needs of each community we serve and develops programs to address those needs. Our values echo the mission of Community Action around the country. In all our endeavors, we are guided by our core values of family, helping others, partnership, achieving results, leadership, advocacy, and innovation. Community action agencies like ours are resources for all. If you know someone that is struggling, please visit our website at foothillscap.org or share this video with them. On behalf of our team, enjoy. Helping people, changing lives.
All people have the right to food, clothing, shelter, warmth, and medical care. Because costs are so high, many in our community have had to sacrifice one necessity for another. Rent versus food, heat versus medication, that's where we come in. Hi, I'm Tiara Murphy. I work in our community services program. Myself, along with an incredible team of dedicated outreach office staff, are often the frontline employees who help individuals and families that come in to Foothills for help, many for the first time. Foothills offers an array of programs that fall under the community services umbrella. These programs may include employment services, education services, income, infrastructure, and asset building, utility assistance, and other supportive services for qualifying individuals. Heating and cooling expenses are a big part of anyone's budget, whether you rent or own your home. Through our energy assistance program, Foothills can help cool and heat your home. Energy assistance greatly helped our neighbors who struggled from the financial hardships that stemmed from COVID-19. We saw more people than ever due to lost wages or reduction in pay. To support key economic recovery programs, Foothills was awarded CARES funding through our Community Services Block Grant to help individuals during the difficult time to reach their goals and potential. We provide financial management, life skills, job skills, resume development, employment supports, limited financial supports, and program referrals. At each of the agency's 4 outreach offices, staff provide information and referral services, as well as access to emergency financial assistance programs for basic necessities. Even during times when we don't have access to emergency assistance funds, we are able to offer referrals to other community resources. Our goal is to promote self-sufficiency. We do this by assisting and making plans that may help alleviate future crises. We can help with utility payments. Our main source of utility assistance is the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, or LIHEAP. The LIHEAP program has 2 components, subsidy and crisis. Subsidy is a one-time assistance based on household size and income. Crisis will assist in paying a disconnect notice or assist with bulk fuel such as propane, kerosene, wood, or coal. To qualify, you must be income eligible. The subsidy program runs every November through mid-December, and the crisis program runs January through March. Depending on funding, we may have a spring subsidy program and a summer cooling program. We can help with Goodwill vouchers. Each office can provide limited Goodwill vouchers to those who have demonstrated a need, such as experiencing a fire, flood, or loss of income. These vouchers can be used for anything in a Goodwill store. We can help with New Eyes for the Needy. Through this program, we can assist individuals in obtaining eyeglasses. Applicants must be income eligible and have a current eyeglass prescription. We can help with referrals. Each office can provide referrals to other programs and agencies in cases where assistance cannot be directly provided by Foothills. If you have any questions or need any kind of assistance, please reach out today. Just visit foothillscap.org. Our contact information is listed on the Basic and Emergency Needs page. We're here to help.
Helping people, changing lives.
Access to comprehensive quality healthcare services is important for promoting and maintaining health, preventing and managing diseases, reducing unnecessary disability and premature death, and achieving health equity. Hello, I'm Kara Grace Kane, and I have the opportunity to help people obtain health insurance. There are many options. Medicaid is Kentucky's no-cost medical program that provides health care for income-eligible residents, including children, families, pregnant women, seniors, and the disabled. The Kentucky Children's Health Insurance Program, or KCHIP, offers free health insurance for children younger than 19 who don't have insurance. Children and families with income less than 213% of the federal poverty level are eligible. All Medicaid and KCHIP medical plans offered through Connect Health coverage have the same set of benefits, including doctor visits, trips to the hospital, prescription coverage, and more. Both Medicaid and KCHIP eligibility is determined using the modified adjusted gross income and family size based on the tax filing status of the household, meaning whether you file or do not file taxes. Connect is a one-stop shop for a range of Kentucky assistance programs, including health coverage, benefits, and resources to keep you safe, healthy, and happy. Through Connect Health coverage, you may qualify for a premium tax credit and cost-sharing reductions that help make coverage more affordable. Qualified health plans are available for purchase during open enrollment periods, unless you have a qualifying life event. You can apply anytime for Medicaid and KCHIP in person, by phone, or online. To apply, just visit DCBS, your local Department of Community-Based Services office, online at connect.ky.gov, or by calling us. Local connectors like myself can help you determine whether you apply for coverage. Foothills has 4 connectors to help guide and assist individuals and families obtain medical coverage who qualify for Medicaid, the Kentucky Children's Health Insurance Program, or qualified health plans. Please call us or email us. We'd love to talk to you. Just visit foothillscap.org. Our information is listed on the Connect page.
Public transportation offers mobility, accessibility, and connectivity to residents, visitors, and businesses. It provides easy access to employment opportunities, education facilities, healthcare services, grocery stores, and entertainment places. Most importantly, public transportation is affordable, improves economic efficiency, and reduces social and economic inequalities. Hello, I'm Tyler Burris, and I work in Foothills Transportation Department, Foothills Express. Since 1986, riders have counted on Foothills Express to meet their mobility needs. All transportation services are open to the public. We offer services in Clark, Estill, Madison, and Powell counties. Our vehicles are comfortable and safe. Our well-trained drivers are courteous and can assist passengers board and deboard buses. Many of our buses are lift-equipped, making them accessible for people who use a mobility device or cannot climb stairs. Foothills Express has several different bus services with varying schedules for your convenience. Foothills Express operates 3 public deviated fixed transportation routes. Stops include department and grocery stores, apartment communities, and city and county offices. Riders pay $1 for a daily bus pass or $7 for a book of 10 passes. Our public bus routes include the Berea Transit Service, the Richmond Transit Service, and the Winchester-Clark County Transit Service. Foothills Express is the proud provider of the EKU on-campus transit service, Big E Transit. Students, faculty, and staff can traverse the campus beautiful and enjoy convenient stops free of charge. Through a partnership between Foothills Express and the Kentucky Office of Transportation Delivery, we provide an exclusive commuter service from Clark County to Lexington through the week that assists employees in getting to their workplace. Riders pay $40 a month for the Clark County to Lexington commuter service. When most people think of Foothills Express, they think of large buses picking up riders at bus stops. We offer additional services to help riders get where they need to go. This is called our Express service. On weekdays, riders can schedule personalized, curb-to-curb transportation within their community. Trips are affordable, only require a 48-hour notice. Trips less than 4 miles cost a flat rate of $4. There is a $1.50 charge for every additional mile. Our intercity service is a unique service that provides riders a connection from smaller, more rural areas to larger mass transit systems, such as airports in Lexington, Louisville, and Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, train stations in Louisville and Cincinnati, the urban transit systems of Lextran, TARC, and TANK, as well as nationwide bus networks such as Megabus in Louisville and Cincinnati, Greyhound stations in Berea, Lexington, Louisville, London, and Cincinnati. Our inner-city service is offered through the week to residents in Clark, Estill, Madison, and Powell counties. Trips only requires a 48 to 72 hour notice, and our rates are reasonably priced. Round trip to Lexington costs $30, and round trip to Louisville or Cincinnati is $40. Our Madison County Connector service offers a convenient, cost-effective option for residents who want an alternative commute or way to travel between Richmond and Berea for shopping, entertainment, medical appointments, education, and more. The round-trip connector fare is $2. Non-emergency medical transportation is available to Medicaid clients. This service removes transportation barriers, prevents missed medical appointments, and decreases the impact of chronic disease. Non-emergency medical transportation can be booked through our broker, Federated Transportation Services of the Bluegrass, at 859-258-2722 or 888-848-0989. We move people forward. Let us take care of your transportation needs. Visit foothillscap.org for more information, including our contact information.
Recovery Kentucky was created to help Kentuckians recover from substance abuse, which often leads to chronic homelessness. Centers like ours were designed to reduce the state's drug problem and resolve some of the state's homeless issues. They help people recover from addiction and gain control of their lives so they can eventually reside in permanent housing. Hi, I'm Alicia Latimer and I work at Liberty Place Recovery Center for Women. Liberty Place is one of 14 centers across the state established as a part of the Recovery Kentucky initiative. At Liberty Place, all services are provided free of charge, allowing women to focus on improving their lives without added financial stress. While at Liberty Place, women are provided support, hope, and restored opportunities. With use of the tools provided to our residents, at completion they are prepared to lead sober, stable, and productive lives. Liberty Place serves women ages 18 and over who desire to seek recovery from substance and/or alcohol use disorders that are homeless or at risk of homelessness. We teach our clients that recovery is possible and they can create a new way of life by establishing new patterns of thinking and behaviors. The unique supportive housing and recovery program model utilized at Liberty Place has been proven to help people facing the most complex challenges. By providing a safe and caring environment, curriculum to encourage growth, and resources to continue a path of recovery, Liberty Place empowers women to achieve and maintain full and enriching lives. If you or someone you love is ready to seek recovery, we want to talk to you. The process is easy. A phone application can be completed 24 hours a day in just as little as 5 minutes. Just call 859-625-0104 extension 1. In addition to self-referrals, Liberty Place accepts referrals from the Kentucky Department of Corrections, drug court, or Casey Law positions. Visit foothillscap.org for more information, including an online tour of Liberty Place. Our information is listed on the Liberty Place page. You can also like and follow our Facebook page for announcements. Our handle is at Liberty Place Richmond.
Helping people,
changing lives.
The opioid epidemic has taken the lives of more than 5,000 Kentuckians in the last 2 years alone. Madison County consistently ranks in the top 5 counties for fatal overdoses, and the rates of both fatal and non-fatal overdoses continues to climb. Hi, I'm Travis Witt, and I work with the MORE program at Kentucky River Foothills. MORE stands for the Madison Opioid Response and Empowerment Program. It was developed using a grant from the Cabinet for Health Resources and Services Administration. We know the opioid crisis is a complex issue that will not be solved overnight. Because of its complexity, our program focuses on 3 primary goals: prevention, treatment, and recovery. Reducing the use of illicit substance use to begin with, providing treatment options for those who are currently struggling, and helping individuals that have reached a path to recovery stay there. We also know that the opioid epidemic is an issue that affects our entire community, and that everyone is impacted either directly or indirectly. Because of this, the MORE program created a consortium of individuals representing a wide variety of sectors. These range from emergency medical services to recovery supports, and from local clinics to a recovery clubhouse. Our consortium includes varying perspectives from across Madison County. For the same reason, we have also developed a key stakeholders network. This network meets on a bi-monthly basis and consistently brings more than 40 programs, organizations, businesses, and community members around the same table to discuss ways that we can address the problem at its root. This issue will not be solved from the top down, but from the bottom up, and we focus on solutions. Whether it be access and availability of medication-assisted treatment programs for people diagnosed with substance use disorders, initiating evidence-based prevention programming in the county's schools, or strengthening support systems and resources for people in long-term recovery, the MORE program wants to provide more. Get it? If you're interested in joining our Key Stakeholders Network or learning more about MORE, please send an email to more@foothillscap.org. At www.madisonhelp.org, you can find a comprehensive list of resources available here in Madison County. We offer trainings, conferences, events, and educational workshops year-round. You can also visit foothillscap.org for more information available on the Madison Opioid Response and Empowerment page. You can also like and follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/more Madison County. There we'll provide event announcements, educational opportunities, and more.
Ensuring access to healthcare is critical to prevent illnesses and deaths. Statistically, those with health insurance have better access to providers, leading to increases in positive health outcomes. Hi, I'm Jessica Taylor and I work at the Foothills Health and Wellness Center. The Foothills Health and Wellness Center has been providing quality services to Powell and Estill counties through the Healthcare for the Homeless program since 2005. It is our mission to respond to unmet healthcare needs so that uninsured and underinsured patients can achieve a higher quality of life. We provide primary care, prescription assistance, behavioral health services, substance use disorder counseling, and case management. We also provide linkages and referrals to other healthcare services such as dental and vision as needed. Foothills Health and Wellness Center offers an affordable sliding fee scale program to patients that are uninsured or underinsured. No patient will ever be denied services due to inability to pay. Our program primarily serves individuals that are homeless or at risk for homelessness. Over the next several years, we plan to expand our primary care services through a mobile medical unit and increase behavioral health services and case management services through a new case management and outreach center. Our clinic has been identified a leader in its field from our grant source, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Most recently, we received the Gold Health Center Quality Leader Award in recognition of ranking among the top 10% of health centers nationwide for best overall clinical performance. What sets our clinic apart is our enabling services. If a patient arrives hungry, we feed them. If a patient is sleeping under a bridge, we ensure they have a warm place to stay. If they need a ride, we provide transportation. We're here for you. Visit foothillscap.org for more information. Our contact information is listed on the Health and Wellness page. If you're ready to reach out, call us. We'd love to talk to you and schedule an appointment. Call us at 606-663-9011 and select option 1. We hope to see you soon.
Unlike senior living facilities or assisted living, senior centers are designed for healthy aging adults who live at home. Research shows that older adults who participate in senior center programs can learn to manage and delay the onset of chronic disease and experience measurable improvements in their physical, social, spiritual, emotional, mental, and economic well-being. Hello everyone, I'm Heather Sloan, and I work at one of our remarkable senior centers. Kentucky River Foothills operates 4 senior centers in Clark, Madison, and Powell counties. We operate the James B. Allen Generation Center in Winchester and the Powell County Senior Citizen Center in Stanton. Madison County is the only county in the Bluegrass region that is fortunate enough to have 2 wonderful centers, the Richmond Active Living Center and the Berea Senior Citizen Center. Our centers provide tons of services to seniors. Each center is different, but they are built around the same model. The Older Americans Act of 1965 was established to ensure that all seniors receive access to a nutritious meal. Senior centers were created around the nutrition program and evolved from that. Today, our centers are much more than a meal program. They are places full of activity. They are one of the most important resources for our aging community, and they offer more than you think. We offer thoughtful programming and services to promote positive aging. Seniors have the opportunity to participate in recreational activities, programs that offer information and assistance, educational presentations, health, fitness and wellness programs, and arts and crafts. We have potlucks, holiday parties, and occasionally go on outings to restaurants and local places of interest. We have fun. We also provide transportation services and advocacy. Meals continue to be an important part of our programming. Seniors receive a free, hot, nutritious meal when they are with us. One of the main reasons senior centers are so beneficial for aging is the socialization factor. The ability to connect with peers in their community. The friendships that are formed among our clients give them a second family, and our centers give them another place to call home. If you or your loved one is not able to attend a senior center due to poor health, we offer a home-delivered meal program. This program goes beyond just delivering food. Staff conduct wellness checks with each meal. Many people are eligible for this program at no cost to them. You may be asking yourself, how do I access these wonderful programs? What are the qualifications? It's quite simple. You just have to be 60 years old. We are a non-medical social facility. There are no fees, and the program is not income-based. Donations are always appreciated. Our main priority is that our seniors feel loved and cared for. We also want them to lead independent, self-sufficient lives for as long as possible. I believe wholeheartedly that this can be achieved through leading more active social lives. Our programming is available to the entire community, and anyone is welcome to volunteer and get involved with our centers, which make our community one of a kind. Visit foothillscap.org for more information, including our contact information, on the Senior Services page. We'd love to give you a tour. You will meet new people and participate in community events. In the words of the famous British poet Robert Browning, "Grow old with me, the best is yet to be."
If you're a caregiver, you might be curious about Adult Day Services, programs that provide care and companionship for adults who need assistance or supervision during the day. Unlike senior centers, which are targeted at healthy older adults, Adult Day Services are a resource for people with physical limitations or limited functioning due to memory loss. Hi, I'm Christina Williams, and I work at the Powell Adult Daycare. Our center is located in Clay City. It is a licensed medical care facility that provides adult day health care to clients 21 years and older. We're open Monday through Friday, 7:30 until 3:30 p.m. We are licensed through the Office of the Inspector General and Medicaid. We serve clients that have a physical, mental, and/or intellectual disability as determined by an independent assessor. Referrals are received from home health case managers. Although located in Powell County, we serve clients from Powell and many neighboring counties. Transportation, often through Foothills Express, is provided. Dedicated skilled nurses and LPNs are always on site while clients are at the center. While they are with us, clients are served breakfast, lunch, and snack. Our program encourages your loved one to spend time with others. Our supervised activities improve daily living skills. Clients participate in exercise programs, crafts, outings, gardening, birthday parties, holiday celebrations, and relaxation techniques. Clients receive assistance with eating, taking medication, toileting, and walking. They also receive health monitoring such as blood pressure and blood sugar. Even if your loved one has dementia, he or she might be able to join music, simple activities, and being surrounded by friends. Beyond providing social opportunities, an adult day service can serve as a safe and familiar place for your loved one to receive health services. Adult day services might delay or prevent your loved one from needing to move to a long-term residential care facility. Caregivers receive much needed respite while their loved one is with us, and often go to work, take care of personal business, or simply relax. In addition to activities provided at the center, the adult daycare provides home-delivered meals and attendant care in the client's home, all while maintaining individual dignity and self-identity. Families who take part in our adult daycare program consistently experience lower levels of stress related to caregiving, report increases in socialization opportunities for their loved one, experience decreased symptoms of depression, and benefit from cost savings versus in-home care. We welcome new clients. If you're interested in speaking to someone or even schedule a tour, we'd love to talk to you. Just visit foothillscap.org. Our contact information is listed on the Powell Adult Daycare page. Our goal is to become an extension of your home environment.
Prevention is the best way to reduce child abuse and neglect and improve the lives of children and families. Hi, I'm Suzanne Lee, and I work in the Community Collaboration for Children program. Community Collaboration for Children, or CCC, focuses on the prevention of child abuse and neglect while strengthening the power of families. We believe in empowering families one step at a time and encouraging communities to work together for their well-being. Foothills CCC program consists of regional networks and direct services in 19 counties. Regional networks are comprised of community partners that include families and child-serving agencies, as well as parents and local citizens. Regional networks are primary prevention. Regional networks raise awareness and educate communities about child abuse and neglect. We work diligently to collaborate within the communities, strengthen and support families, build parent leadership, and promote responsible fatherhood. We host and participate in public events such as those funded during Child Abuse Prevention Month in April. CCC and home-based services are secondary prevention. Services address children's physical, mental, emotional, and educational needs while strengthening and supporting families. Direct services include in-home based services. The in-home service specialist, together with the referral source, works with each family to help them meet their specific goals using the Nurturing Parenting curriculum. Intensive short-term home-based interventions are aimed at assisting families in learning to live together in an environment that is safe and nurturing. CCC's target population includes children with disabilities, teenage parents and parents who are young adults, parents with disabilities, single-family households, families with young children, low-income families, families who are struggling, children who are truant or exhibiting problems in a school system, grandparents or caregivers raising children, homeless families and those that are at risk of homelessness, and unaccompanied homeless youth. Community Collaboration for Children is available across the state of Kentucky. Foothills CCC services are offered in 3 regions: Bluegrass Rural, Fayette Rural, and Kipta Rural. CCC accepts referrals from community partners, self-referrals, family, friends, and the Department for Community-Based Services. CCC services are available for free to families who maintain custody of their children. There are no income guidelines to participate. Visit foothillscap.org for more information, including our contact information on the Community Collaboration for Children page. Stand up for children. There is no excuse for child abuse.
Have you ever found yourself in a relationship or conversation that just isn't going well? I think we all have. What if I told you that you can improve your communication skills, strengthen decision-making, make wiser financial choices, and learn even more positive skills in fewer than 18 hours? Would you be interested? Hi, my name is Carmen Markham, and I'm a facilitator for the Healthy Relationships program at Kentucky River Foothills. Our program offers a zero-cost 18-hour workshop that provides education surrounding relationships and finance to couples or individuals ages 18 and older. This unique frameworks experience provides education and individual coaching to help couples and singles learn practical finance and life skills to reduce stress and improve communication in order to be successful in all family dynamics and long-term relationships. By participating in our fun and high-energy workshop series, you will receive a $100 gift card just for completing, and you will take an interactive dive into important topics such as precise decision-making, smart communication, and speaker-listener technique, understanding commitment and expectations, step-families and co-parenting, relating with money, healthy spending and saving practices, needs, wants, and values, insurance choices, and much more. But the fun does not stop there after 18 hours. Once you complete our relationships and finance workshop series, you will be offered extended learning opportunities for job coaching and parenting classes. Are you ready to sign up yet, enroll, or inquire about our Healthy Relationships and Finance workshop series? If so, please visit foothillscap.org. Our contact information is listed on the Healthy Marriage and Relationships page. We can't wait to see you.
Helping people.
Changing lives.
Studies show that children involved with loving fathers are significantly more likely to do well in school, have healthy self-esteem, and exhibit empathy and pro-social behavior. Additionally, more engaged fathers, whether living with or apart from their children, can help foster a child's healthy physical, emotional, and social development. For nearly a decade, Foothills staff has had the pleasure of teaching within a responsible fatherhood grant. These fatherhood grants, provided by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, integrate robust economic stability services, healthy marriage education, and activities designed to foster responsible parenting. Foothills is one of 58 organizations nationwide that help adult fathers with children under 24 years of age to provide comprehensive, healthy relationship and education services, as well as job and career activities to advance economic stability and overall improved family well-being. My name is Shad Stewart, and I've had the opportunity to teach in this program for several years. The Fatherhood team teaches a core curriculum that promotes communication skills, financial literacy, and purposeful engagement. This program also includes parenting skills and job attainment aids. This class is conducted across 36 hours of weekly sessions that encourage participants towards lifelong learning. Kentucky's Department of Corrections also recognized programs within incarceration settings. These include Moral Recognition Therapy's Thinking for Good and Portal New Directions. Participants learn life skills essential for successful reentry from a jail setting. Fatherhood staff support many of these classes at locations across central Kentucky. These classes are open to location partners in the community that primarily serve men and are hosted in jails or diversion programs. Staff promote and provide tools that help men gain economic stability for themselves and their families. Staff also remain aware of many resources that can be available for fathers as they work to have better outcomes for those most important to them. These services are offered in Foothills' primary service area, as well as some neighboring counties. Staff measure success by seeing growth in knowledge for supporting strong family bonds, developing tools for self-sufficiency, and acting on recently gained skills. Visit foothillscap.org for more information. Our contact information is listed on the Healthy Responsible Fatherhood page.
The Eastern Scholar House program removes barriers to economic opportunity by providing affordable housing and wraparound services for single adult college students and their children to support educational success. Hello, my name is Mary Murphy. I have the privilege of working for a program that provides supportive housing, educational programming, and participant advocacy to help families gain independence. The Eastern Scholar House program is located on Eastern Kentucky University's Campus Beautiful. The program includes housing, education support, and the Child Development Center. The Eastern Scholar House program is open to eligible single parents who are enrolled in any approved post-secondary institution. This includes technical colleges and online programs. Our adult residents, or scholars as we like to call them, are enrolled in institutions like Eastern Kentucky University, the University of Kentucky, Bluegrass Community and Technical College, and many others. Located near the football stadium, Scholar House is a gated community that consists of 3 apartment buildings. Within these buildings, there are 39 housing units, consisting of 2-bedroom apartments. 2 apartments are fully handicap accessible. Apartment amenities include a washer and dryer, dishwasher, storage space, computer lab, green space, and a designated parking lot. Although located on land leased at EKU and prioritizing student parents, this program is not a form of student housing. Housing is income-based. At Scholar House, parenting students live with other parents pursuing education, creating community alongside programming. The program promotes self-sufficiency and economic stability for scholars and connections to support such as academic, tutoring, financial literacy, employment assistance, access to workforce development, and linkages to community-based services. Scholars receive supportive services and resources to assist their family reaching their educational, financial, and long-term goals. Our services are tailored to meet each family's need. We offer an on-site, high-quality, affordable childcare for ages birth to 5 years old. We call these our little scholars. By utilizing our Child Development Center, our scholars have time to attend classes, work part-time, and focus on their studies. Although the Child Development Center prioritizes program residents' children, the community can also utilize our remarkable program. Childcare is income-based. To assist with cost, we refer parents to the Child Care Assistance Program. If you're curious about taking your next step to strengthen your family, reach out to us. We're happy to schedule a tour and show you around. Visit foothillscap.org for more information. Our contact information is listed on the Eastern Scholar House page. You can also like and follow our Facebook page for announcements. Our handle is @Eastern Scholar House. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Helping people, changing lives.
Workforce development creates economic success for individuals, businesses, and communities. It trains individuals to be more productive and prosperous in the workplace, which benefits both the employer and the worker. Hello, my name is Jackie Dean, and I work at the Workforce Pathway at Kit Carson Commons Scholar House. This cutting-edge program deepens our mission of assisting families and individuals to achieve self-sufficiency by working with partnering organizations and providing direct services. We change the direction of individuals and children. We work to build strong families by providing them the support they need while seeking improvement through services and education. It is our goal to better prepare all of our students for future-ready success, raise post-secondary completion rates, and support the continued skill attainment of all workers. The Workforce Pathway at Kit Carson Commons Scholar House is located on Eastern Kentucky University's Campus Beautiful, beside the Carl D. Perkins Building. This unique program includes workforce development training, housing, education support. We also offer non-residential and residential services. We offer training opportunities to non-residents who are unemployed and underemployed members of the community. Courses are taught by the EKU Workforce Development Department and focus on soft skills and workplace safety. Program participants receive free training that prepare them for careers in industry, manufacturing, warehousing, and shipping and distribution. Through the Workforce Pathway at Kit Carson Commons, our community benefits from the presence of a trained workforce that is ready to fill job openings for existing and new employers. Adult education classes are also taught to prepare individuals for taking their GED. Like the Eastern Scholar House that we operate across campus, Kit Carson Commons also offers affordable housing. Priority is given to low-income, single-parent military service members and veterans who are pursuing self-sufficiency goals through attending college at an accredited institution. This includes technical colleges and online programs as well. Our scholars attend institutions like Eastern Kentucky University, University of Kentucky, Bluegrass Community and Technical College, and many others. There are 30 housing units consisting of 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. 2 of these apartments are fully handicap accessible. Apartment amenities include a washer and dryer, dishwasher, microwave, laminate flooring, a storage room, computer lab, green space, designated parking lot, and campus shuttle access. Although located on land lease at EKU and prioritizing single-parent military service members and veterans, this program is not a form of student housing. Housing is income-based. Our residential program promotes self-sufficiency and economic stability for scholars. We remove barriers. Scholars have access to housing, education supports, and workforce development supports. They also have access to the Child Development Center across the road at Eastern Scholar House. Through our educational program, we connect scholars to support such as academic tutoring, financial literacy, employment assistance, and access to community-based services. Supportive services and resources are provided on-site to assist families in reaching their educational, financial, and long-term goals. Some examples of these services include parenting and budgeting classes. Visit foothillscap.org to learn more. Our contact information is listed on the Workforce Pathway at Kit Carson Commons page. You can also like and follow our Facebook page for announcements. Our handle is @Kit Carson Commons. Do something today that your future self will thank you for.
Keeping veterans out of poverty means keeping them employed and housed. By removing either of those 2 fundamentals, veterans slip into poverty and are at risk. My name is Lisa Roark. I'm proud to work at Foothills Supportive Services for Veteran Families program, known as SSVF. SSVF serves veterans who are currently homeless or who are facing rental eviction. Our program provides basic temporary rental assistance to qualifying veterans. We may also assist with rental and utility deposits if needed. Deposit assistance is limited to once every 2 years. We are a VA grant-funded program and we follow the HUD income guidelines. Each application is assessed on a case-by-case basis. Our main goal is to provide our veterans with exceptional service to help obtain or maintain quality, safe, and affordable housing. Ending veteran homelessness is a priority throughout our entire state. Utilizing the Housing First approach helps prevent a near-term return to homelessness for our veterans. Stable housing is vital to build a solid foundation for future success. SSVF staff work diligently to make sure that all possible services and outside resources are provided to each of our veteran families while enrolled in our program. We currently service 21 Kentucky counties, which are included here. Our application process is simple. Contacting our office is the first step in obtaining assistance. Veterans seeking assistance can contact us by phone, email, or through our SSVF Facebook page. We also accept referrals through various community partners throughout our service area. Applicants are screened throughout the eligibility process. This includes verification of the applicant's military service, obtaining all household income information, and verifying the current household situation. Through the screening process, necessary documentation is obtained to complete the individual eligibility packet. Once all information and documentation are obtained, the completed packet is sent directly for approval and case manager assignment. The assigned case manager will work to complete all necessary enrollment paperwork and initiate any possible services at that time. Our case managers actively work one-on-one with our veterans, providing guidance and assurance along the way to help build the solid foundation needed for stability and individual success. Whether connecting our participants with local landlords for rental solutions, employment services, applying for food benefits, medical coverage, VA, or Social Security benefits, just to name a few, our case managers always put our veterans' needs first and always above everything else. To be eligible for our services, the veteran must be in the household at the time of eligibility and enrollment and must meet the military, income, and housing criteria according to SSVF guidelines. We cannot assist a veteran who has received a dishonorable or a general court-martial discharge from any branch of service. Currently, we do not offer any assistance with mortgage payments or homeowner-type repairs. If for any reason we are unable to initiate SSVF services, the veteran will be referred to dedicated community partners for possible assistance. We work closely with various community partners throughout our 21 county coverage area. Working together enriches the outcome for our veteran population. They are a vital part of our program's success. This, of course, is a brief snapshot of our SSVF program. If you are a veteran in need of housing assistance, or if you know of a veteran who may benefit from our services, please reach out to us. Visit foothillscap.org. Our contact information is listed on the SSVF page. Our Facebook handle is @FoothillsSSVF. Give us a call, send us an email, or message us on social media. We are here to help those who have served, given so much to our great nation, and have asked so little in return. It would be an honor to now serve you.
Helping people,
Changing lives.
In order to improve the quality of life in our community, Foothills plays a key role as a provider of affordable housing in our service area. Hello, my name is Jimmy Stone. My job is to help dreams become a reality. That dream is to obtain a safe, decent, and affordable home. We begin by offering free credit counseling after income determinations are made to ensure eligibility. Whether you have horrible credit or no credit at all, we will guide you in becoming eligible for an affordable loan. When you're ready to proceed through the program, your loan application will be submitted to our lending partner, USDA Rural Development, for preliminary approval. Loans are based off income and interest rates. Rates as low as 1% are possible, with terms that can be as long as 38 years. This loan is combined with Foothills grant dollars. We work hard to ensure clients' success. It's important to afford not only the house payment, but also insurance and property tax requirements. After the client has been approved for a loan, we begin the exciting step of identifying a lot and choosing a house plan. Next, a request is made to another valuable partner in our endeavors, Kentucky Housing Corporation. Kentucky Housing Corporation and Foothills staff work together to secure grant dollars to pay for not only excess construction costs, but other costs associated with building your home. Grant funds are forgiven on a prorated basis for a set period of time, depending on the funding amount and terms of the grant. Clients are responsible for paying the loan in full. Foothills oversees all new home construction. Clients are given the opportunity to add their own personal touch by picking out from samples their own color for siding, shingles, shutters, interior paint, flooring, color of appliances, and countertops. Upon completion, we guide clients through a loan closing. This is my favorite part. This is where the client takes over ownership of their newly completed home. Foothills staff are always one phone call away. We care about our clients and want to guarantee success through the entire process. If you would like more information about this program, please reach out. Visit foothillscap.org. Our contact information is listed on the affordable housing page. Let us help make your dreams come true.
From air sealing to improving ventilation to adding insulation, Home weatherization helps consumers save money by saving energy. Weatherization can also maintain or improve respiratory health, mental health, physical safety, and wellness. Hi, I'm Georgiana Kirby, and I work in the Foothills Weatherization Program. I'm thrilled to share with you a little bit about what our Weatherization Assistance Program has to offer. The Weatherization Assistance Program is funded through the U.S. Department of Energy in partnership with Kentucky Housing Corporation. Weatherization reduces energy costs for low-income households by increasing the energy efficiency of their homes while ensuring their health and safety. Through weatherization, improvements and upgrades, households save on average $283 a year. We employ locally based and professionally trained weatherization crews. Our crews use computerized energy assessments and advanced diagnostic equipment such as blower doors, manometers, and infrared cameras to create a comprehensive analysis of the home. This determines the most cost-effective measures appropriate and helps identify any health and safety concerns. Our weatherization auditor creates a customized work order. Trained crews install the identified energy efficient and health and safety measures. A certified quality control inspector ensures all work is completed correctly and that the home is safe for all occupants. Weatherization work may include testing the safety and efficiency of the primary heating system, air sealing walls, floors, ceiling, windows, and doors, installing ventilation fan, insulating attics, walls, floors, heating ducts, pipes, and water heaters, installing vapor barriers, testing and installing smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors, replacing light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs, and replacing old energy-consuming refrigerators. Foothills Weatherization services are available to homeowners as well as single-family or mobile home renters with landlord's consent in Clark, Estill, Madison, and Powell counties. Households living at or below 200% of the federal income guidelines are eligible for services. For example, a household of 3 would qualify if they earn at or less than $46,060 a year. Applicants are required to submit proof of income for all household members, property ownership, whether owned or rented, and proof of energy usage for past 12 months. Applications are given priority points when processed and placed on a waiting list in priority point order from highest to lowest. Priority is given to elderly, disabled, homes with young children, and those with high energy burden. A household's primary heat source, annual income, and income to utility usage ratio are also a factor. Weatherization is one way Kentucky River Foothills helps people stay in their homes, strengthening the entire community. If you are interested in weatherization services or would like more information, visit foothillscap.org. Our information is listed on the weatherization page.
Helping people.
Changing lives.
Helping people.
Changing lives.
Helping people.
Changing lives.
Helping people, changing lives.
Helping people, changing lives.